Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to a new video and a new vlog. In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm looking up because I'm looking at this hair. I have some new hair. Let me take these pins out right here. But I'm actually in the middle of filming a video on this hair right here. I'm currently also cooking dinner. My baby boy is sleeping. So I just did my makeup so I can film some more clips on this hair because I filmed the install and I like how it came out. But I kind of want to style this hair and add like some fringy kind of side bangs where this blonde part is and like bump it under a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm going to film an Instagram reel showing how I do that. And then I'm also going to record the clips for the video so I can include that as well. So guys, this is the finished product. I just added like some, it's not even bangs, it's kind of like some layers on the sides right there, and I absolutely love this blondish brown. Like it's a honey brown and then it has these blonde highlights, and I love how this is looking. I also try to like lighten my eyebrows because they are black. Don't know if I did the best job, but I think it looks good kind of from like afar than like jet black dark heavy eyebrows. As this hair though is like so soft. Like when I say so soft, but yeah, absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish editing last week's vlog because I still didn't even get that up by the time I'm filming this video right now. I have other videos going up. I absolutely love the chocolate brown hair that I had on. That was a 5x5 and it was so much easier to install than like a full frontal, but I do love the color of this wig. Like I love this honey brown with this blonde. It just takes me back to like 90s 2000s vibe, so that's why I also added like these layers in this shape kind of right here. And I just have this shirt on. Noah is with my dad right now downstairs being spoiled, if you guys were wondering. So I was able to film and get all of this done. So I'm super happy about that. Today I'm installing this wig from Love Me Hair. Right now my baby boy is sleeping, so I'm trying to be productive while he's sleeping. I have to sanitize some of his bottles downstairs, make him a bottle for when he gets up. I'm currently letting this wig lay, but I did do the full install and I recorded it. And guys, this is very soft. Get into it. So natural looking. Feels so good, so soft, has so much movement. And when I remove this, you guys will see the lace is so natural. But yeah, I haven't been on here in a few days. It's been very gloomy, and even when I ended off the last vlog, I think I told you guys it was like that time of the month. So yeah, girl was just not feeling it like whatsoever. I'm gonna run downstairs and get some things done while this boy is sleeping. My dad's a mechanic, so when big like huge boxes come to my house, I just assume it's like a car part for him. So I got this huge box in the mail the other day, and it is from Shein, guys. So stay tuned. I have a huge haul coming soon. I have to film this too. I'm probably gonna just set this video up tonight and then film it tomorrow. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you are doing good and feeling good. I had a good response on my last vlog, so I decided to keep on going. Plus, like, it was really just motivating for me. Like, for a while I was like anxious vlogging, and I was like, I don't know, like I'm not really somebody who thinks to pick up the camera and vlog. But now that, even though I'm kind of doing more, my life's a little more chill and I have a routine, it's a little easier for me to vlog, and it's so fulfilling like watching it back, because sometimes I'm really hard on myself and I feel like I'm not doing enough and there's so many things I should be doing. And watching it back, it's like, oh, okay, like I actually had a pretty productive week, like, you know, pulled myself together, proud of myself. So yeah, I don't know, I think I'm gonna try to keep vlogging as much as I can and share the journey with you guys. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below what you guys want to see in my next video. I did mention too, like, I can focus on different things in each video, not just like content creating and mom stuff, or I could do more mom stuff, or I can do like organizing things around the house, because I'm like really into stuff like that. Cooking, I can show you guys behind the scenes of me like designing and working on my collection for my brand. So let me know what you guys want to see. Right now I'm kind of just showing you guys some more behind the scenes of like what I'm doing in my other videos on YouTube and just chit-chatting with you guys, but you guys seem to enjoy it, so yeah, stay tuned guys, stay tuned. So guys, this is the final product of the hair. I'm obsessed. Look at this lace, guys. This is a 5x5 deep wavy or deep curly lace front wig, and I'm obsessed. If you cannot tell by my attitude, like, I'm loving how this hair looks. So guys, I successfully filmed the Shein try-on haul. I'm so tired. I'm prepping Noah's bottle. I'm about to get some laundry done. He's taking a nap. I'm about to like rest with him and then like go through some content and just like lay down and relax. I have my bonnet on. Guys, I've just been pumping out content because I've just been sitting, editing everything. I've been trying to get like 2 videos done a week, if you guys noticed. So be sure to subscribe. Be sure to like this video because it really helps out so much. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I mentioned what you guys want to see from me also. Like in this video, I didn't really show too much behind the scenes of the content, but I'm going to show you guys some of like me editing because I have taught myself some of like Final Cut Pro and Premiere, but I still edit my videos on iMovie, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of like behind the scenes and like some of the content that I got and how I kind of like go through content and things like that. So let's get on into it. So when I pre-film, I like to go ahead and make sure I organize all of my content and my clips by video. So I'll go ahead and open iMovie and I'll create a new movie for each video, and then I just go ahead and go through all the footage on my SD card and I pull in all of the clips. When I film each video, I really try to get the best lighting that I can. Obviously, sometimes it's hard to do that based on timing and things like that, but I try to create a setup that I'm happy with already, so that way it's a bit easier to edit, and all that I really have to do is cut, adjust speed and sometimes the lighting. And honestly, I'm able to do all of that in iMovie, and I feel like I'm able to create some pretty nice and clean videos. Now obviously, if you want some extra effect, Final Cut Pro and Premiere would be good for that, but I definitely think that you can create really good videos just using iMovie. I filmed a Shein try-on haul, so you guys can see here, I'm just going through all the footage, I'm cutting the clips and adjusting the speed. I did film this video a little bit different than my others. Normally I just sit down and do a normal try-on haul where I'm talking through each product and like holding up each garment and explaining them, and then I do the try-on clip separate. But for this video, I actually did my makeup, my hair, and recorded myself trying on each item and kind of styling them a little bit. So I want to see how you guys enjoy that, and then I'm gonna do it like voiceover style. Yeah, this is just a little bit of me editing. It does take time, but I actually really enjoy editing. I think in like filming and setting up my background and all of that the most. The actual content creating is like the fun part for me. Let me know if you guys want to see more of that in future videos. So it is a new day. As you guys can see, I have some new hair. Well, I don't know if you can see. I have a U-part wig on right now, so I have like my natural hair left out on the top. It's honestly not blended that well. Like, it got really puffy, so I'm trying to like frizz up the bottom part so that you don't see like my hair as much. But I just got finished filming a video on these contacts. You guys can see these are not my natural eyes. This video I know has been all over the place. This is gonna go up as a weekly vlog, but honestly it's more like super small clips of different days or like a couple weeks kind of put together. I've just been creating a lot of content and working on a lot of things behind the scenes. As you guys see, I am going to be selling some wigs that I have because I have been doing YouTube for so long and been getting so many wigs to review that honestly, like, there's no reason for me to keep all of these wigs, so I'm gonna be reselling them. I'll have the Instagram where I'm going to be reselling them linked down below. All the information will be on there. So I went ahead and shampooed all of the wigs, cleaned the lace, deep conditioned them with some silicone mix, conditioned them, let them air dry. I will have all the details down below. Most of the wigs I'm just going to sell as is. Some of them I may style or customize, so stay tuned for that. And if I get good feedback with that, I'll definitely continue doing that because I have so many wigs that I really need to get rid of. So if you guys made it to the end of the video, be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. Follow me over on Instagram. Follow my wig Instagram as well so you guys can shop some of my wigs. All of the wigs will be for under $200 and most of these wigs are $200 or more. You'll definitely be getting a deal. And then half the time, guys, I don't like put heat or really like bleach these wigs. If I do, it's like 1 or 2 times. I literally come on here, install these wigs, wear them for like a week, if that, and then that's it. I really kind of also wanted to take a break because my hair up here, my scalp, my skin was like breaking out from wearing wigs back to back to back. Literally, guys, you saw I had like 4 different hairstyles in this video alone, and honestly all these clips are filmed within 2 weeks, so that's like a lot of alcohol and drying products on my skin. So I'm just doing oil right now. I mean, I do have my baby hairs done, but my hair is just like moisturized with oil. I know I left out the top, but we needed a break from those lace wigs, baby. So this is what we are giving.